Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on a 2000 guys and 12 Ford F-150 that we have right here specifically, you can see. But even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. The main engine management fuse box is located under the hood. Okay, if we come right here under the hood, right above the radiator, you have your fuse box, okay, located like that. That's the cover right here. Once you open that fuse box, you see your fuses and relays looking just like that. You will be on this side of the fuse box, and that will be towards the windshield side where the relays are. Now, these relays could be, guys, okay, tricky to find out if they're working or not, so we decided to show you why it's important to test relays and fuses. So let's explain about that and we'll continue. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which relays for the blower motor fan? Now those relays, guys, they're the Ford Motor Company relays, could be really hard to find at parts stores, so I recommend to keep one or two spares in your glove box just in case if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. And if you need to find them at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. If we come in that first row right here of relays and you count 1, 2, 3, even if you have a missing one, you still count it. That relay right here, guys, is for the blower motor fan. You need to check that relay right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.